Welcome to Silver Cajun Metals for another YouTube video. Sorry for all the noises in the background, but it's raining in Cajun country and you might hear it on my tin roof, so excuse that. Today we will be pouring a heart, and this heart I think I can get around 3 ounces, close to 3 ounces. And the other pour is going to be across, and that's normally 3.5, around that range. So that's what we'll be doing today. Got the furnace all turned on, heating up, and these are the silvers that I'm going to be putting into melt. There's 8 of them. Indian head, the buffalo. That's from the Sunshine Mint, 0.999, and that's what we'll be putting in there to melt our heart and our cross. And that's the 8 that I'm going to be putting in there. Let's go ahead and put it in there. That's 3. That's 3 more. That's 6. And 2 more. That's my 8. I'll just go ahead and put it in there. And close the hood. Oh. Came out pretty nice. Nice ripples. The back came out nice. All that stuff that you see on there, once it's polished, is all gonna go away. Be stamped, and I'm gonna re-show y'all after it's stamped and polished. Here she is. She came out pretty good too. Had nice ripples on. The back came out good. I'm gonna go ahead and stamp her and polish her up and show you all the finished product on the heart and the cross. And you're gonna see they got some black stuff on it, which that is the lotion that we mix with water and heat it up, the water a little bit, and it turns black. And what it does, it shows out your punch that you punch onto the metal. It comes out a little bit better, because you can see it a little bit better with the black. So that's been done. We're gonna go ahead and weigh on the scale. This is the scale I weigh on, and it should come out to around 2 ounces. 2.38 So I'm gonna call her 2 ounces. So that's what I put behind there. I put 2 ounces, as you can see, 2 ounces, 0.999 fine silver. Then I weighed the cross. She came out to 3.22. So I just called her 3. 3 ounces, 0.999 troy ounces. I don't put nothing in the front of the cross because people just like the ripples. And you can see I got a little black stuff. Now that's all gonna come out when you're gonna polish it. And that's what I'm getting ready to do now. I'm getting ready to polish it. Now I took the scale out the way because I'm getting ready to polish and I don't need the scale no more. This is what I polish them with to get the black stuff off. Plus it shines real good. I got my little foam. This foam works real good. It gets all the black stuff off and plus it works real fine. So I should look much better. But she's gonna go in a tumbler. I got a tumbler too. And she's gonna come out a lot more shiny than this. Yeah, the rolls come out. Rolls come out nice. So I'm gonna do the same thing with the cross. And we're gonna put her in a tumbler for about 30 minutes. And I'm gonna re-show you how they look. Now I got my container for my tumbler, and I'm gonna add the stainless steel shots that you put in there. That's what helps go around and shine her up. I'm gonna take them and put them in. Yeah, there's a solution that you put on there that helps shine it up. And this is the Shine Bright. You dilute it with some water, which I already have some diluted. And that's right here. And I'm gonna pour some on top. You don't want to pour too much, just enough to cover. So I'm gonna pour it to cover. Okay, now she's covered. The cover on. Make sure that baby seals, because if it don't seal, you're gonna have a problem. Put the cap on. Make sure she's all the way down. If you don't, she wouldn't. Now we over here at the tumbler. I'm gonna put on the tumbler. Turn that baby on. And we're gonna let her spin around and around for 30 minutes. And after 30 minutes, we're gonna turn her off. It's been tumbling for 30 minutes now. So we're gonna go ahead and shut her off. And now I'm gonna bring her over to the table and take her out the tumbler, and we're gonna see what she look like. Now let's take her out and see what she look. It's a little hard sometimes, and sometimes you're gonna use those screwdrivers. Pop her up a little bit. Open her up. I want to take these gloves off. Wash the soap off on them. Paper towel. Get the heart out. Then we're gonna move this out the way. Put my gloves back on. Sorry, I this paper towel. It's a soft paper towel, so it's not gonna scratch. This is how the cross came out. Nice and shiny. Has good ripples. Back. 3 troy ounces. 0.999 troy ounce of silver. Came out real nice. Nice and shiny. Let's get the heart. Just draw the heart off. Here's the heart. The rose. You can see the ripples all around the rose. In the back. 2 troy ounces. 0.999. 9 fine silver. That's 3 nines. Came out real good. Put it right here. And right there. And that ends today's video. I hope you enjoy. Please subscribe, like, leave a comment, and see you in the next video. Thanks.